welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm so excited because I get to talk to you guys about my favorite products and products that I am just absolutely loving at the moment. They're my favorite videos to film because I just get to sit down and talk about what I love. If you guys are interested in seeing some really good products, I have a lot of hair products in here, some makeup, some skincare. So if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing, then definitely please keep watching. Before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. I love you all so much, and let's jump into the video. Love you guys. Let's start with my first recent discovery. I had no idea that this existed, and when I found out, it changed my life. And it is dry conditioner. I literally had no idea dry conditioner was a thing. Like, I always understood the concept of dry shampoo, but you know when you like first wash your hair and your hair is so soft and like shiny, and then after a couple of days it kind of goes away because after all the dry shampoo you put in, it just kind of like your hair starts looking dull and like you need to wash. Dry conditioner will give you that like fresh wash shiny hair effect with even like 4th, 5th day hair. I'm loving the Kristen X Style Reviving Dry Conditioner. And you guys, I kid you not, this was a complete game changer. If you guys have not tried a dry conditioner, run out and try it. I wish my hair wasn't like up in this whatever is going on, because then I would show you guys how it works, but I'm telling you, it's so good. Like, you guys need this. I can even spray it. Let me spray it through like the ends of my hair. Maybe you guys can tell. I have like 5th day hair right now. That's why it's in this thing, but you guys might be able to see. But basically when I apply this, I just spray it like from my ears down and just apply through that portion of my hair. I apply my dry shampoo up here, and I swear it revives my hair. I'm able to go like another, sometimes like 2 days without washing. Hey, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. And this has really just like saved my life. I hate washing my hair. So if I can go an extra day or two, I'm all for it. Another new hair item that I've been trying is the Kristen S Dry Shampoo. I got the little travel size to start off with, and I really love it. It's so good. It really like soaks up any of the oils. But the thing that I love most about this and why I'm talking about it in this video is because it just smells amazing. Like, I'm telling you, if you guys haven't tried any of the Kristen S hair products, you guys need to. Like, the smell is just absolutely everything. Like, I wish that she would make like body sprays out of the scent of her hair products because they're so good. So I've been absolutely loving this guy. And then also from the Kristen S line, I've been using it and loving the Kristen S Weightless Shine Leave-In Conditioner. This has been so good. My hair gets tangled so easily. Like, I have a lot of hair, but it's just all super fine. Like, each strand is so thin. So they get tangled in each other so much. Not to mention, I have like a lot of it and it's pretty dang long. So like brushing my hair after a shower is just annoying. Like, it's just straight up annoying. Sometimes I just avoid it. But this has really made it so easy to detangle my hair. And then once my hair air dries, I find that it's so shiny and way less frizzy ever since I've been using this, which is very rare for my hair because my hair, I feel like, is always so frizzy. All of her products have the zip up technology. I'm not too sure what that is. And this is supposed to soften, strengthen, and moisture and add shine to your hair. And I feel like that's exactly what it does. I've been loving it. On the topic of hair, I've talked about these in one of my vlogs, but I had to give it a shout out in one of these videos because this has also been a game changer for my hair. And it's the It's a 10 Miracle Repair Hair Mask. I love to use this with the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. So I did this in a vlog once, but if you guys haven't seen that, I'll just explain it to you real quick. Basically, I'll apply my Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector all throughout my hair before I wash it. I normally like will dampen my hair and then put this on. Then I'll wash my hair, I will shampoo it, and then after I shampoo, instead of going in with my actual conditioner, I'll take my It's a 10 Miracle Hair Repair Mask and put that in as a deep conditioner. I'll leave this in like overnight or for a couple hours and then rinse it out. And you guys, when I do that process, my hair feels like a cloud. Like, it just feels like a shiny, soft cloud. There's no frizz. It like literally just like instantly repairs and my hair just looks so healthy and shiny. So I'll also leave this on for a couple of hours too before I wash it. But yeah, it's like a whole day thing, but I'm telling you, it changes my hair. You guys, this combo right here, if you find that your hair is drier, if it needs some like revival in its life, get these two products, put this on, leave it in for a couple hours, wash your hair, then put this on as like your conditioner and then rinse it out after a couple hours. Thank me later. Your hair is gonna be absolutely amazing. And with those products, I found that it helps with like repairing my flyaways and stuff like that. However, I still do have a good amount of flyaways. So the one hairspray that I find just really smooths out all of my hair and my flyaways and will give me the most slick back hair look. And I just discovered this is the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray Screaming Hold for Hair. You guys, this hairspray is no freaking joke. If you do use this though, just like brace yourself, you're gonna have to wash your hair the next day, because if you try to comb through your hair again or use it again, there is like a white cast because it's just like such a strong hairspray. But if you need your hair like super slick black, you need to get rid of any flyaways, this is the hairspray for you. I don't know where this has been my whole life, but I needed you and I'm so glad that I found you. Not to mention it's so affordable. I want to say this was only like $7 or $6. And then on the topic of Schwarzkopf, I've been loving the Got to Be Glued Invincible Styling Gel. This little guy though, I don't use for my hair. I've been using it for my eyebrows. I actually have it in my brows now. And I use it as a brow gel. And I've been seeing a lot of other people using this like all over TikTok and Instagram as well. But basically what I do is I just take this with a, where's my spoolie? Just take a spoolie and like dip it in this product. And then I just comb this through my brow hairs. Like I'll comb this way, comb down, then comb up. And it really holds my brows in place and gives me that like feathery brow look. And the reason why I love this is because my brow hairs literally grow in every direction. Like they are not normal eyebrows. And honestly, like no other brow gel will actually keep my hairs completely up. This has been like the one guy to take control of my eyebrows and help me out. And I've been loving it. It's only like $3 for the small travel size on Amazon. I'll link it down below and I just love it. It also makes it so much quicker to fill in my brows because once I put this through, it'll actually hold my brows in place where I want them to go. And then all I have to do is fill in wherever else that it's sparse. All right, moving on to skincare, you guys. My skin has been so much drier lately. In this cooler climate, like there's not as much humidity in the air, so I've just been needing some extra hydration to my skin. And I was going through my drawers like looking to see if I had a richer moisturizer, and I came across my MAC Studio Moisture Cream. And I know that when you think of MAC, you don't really think of skincare, but you guys, this moisturizer leaves my skin so soft and supple, and then it makes the makeup and everything just go on so smooth without like breaking up the makeup. Like it's hydrating enough to where makeup will go on smooth and my skin doesn't feel like tight, but then it's not like too creamy to where it'll like break apart the makeup. I have been absolutely loving this. I used to use this on my clients all the time for makeup, but I never really used it on myself because in Florida, I just felt like it was too rich for my skin. But here, this has been my favorite day cream, and a little goes a long way with it. And I don't know, it just like instantly just makes my skin feel so revived. And then at night, I recently picked up from MAC the Complete Comfort Cream. This is like such a rich moisturizer. So whenever I used to use this, I would use it just on like my super dry clients because as you can see, it is thick. Like I turn it upside down, it's not going anywhere. But this as a night cream, if you're more normal or even if you're oily, you could use this at night because you're not going anywhere. This is like the most best night cream ever. It just really hydrates your skin, leaves your skin super supple, and then when you wake up, your skin is so soft and refreshed. You guys, do not sleep on MAC skincare. I know that they're not known for it, but I'm telling you, they have some really good moisturizers. And you guys already know how I feel about the MAC Lightful C Coral Grass Spray. I've talked about this in previous videos, but this guy is so good. So do not sleep on MAC skincare. They actually have some really solid gems. Then I've been also loving the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops in Dark. I got this during the Sephora VIB sale. And we had a little bit of a hiccup at first. So I didn't realize how like tan these could actually make you. So the first time I applied it, I applied a couple drops on my hand and like put it on my face. I mixed it in with my body lotion and like used it all over my body. And it gave me such a beautiful tan. However, I like didn't use gloves when I applied it with my hands, and my hands were left looking like Dorito fingers. There's actually a video up on my channel where you can like see, it looks like I just dipped my hands in a bag of Doritos and was like going through life like that. It was just this guy, I forgot to put gloves on. But ever since I realized how like potent it is, and if I use gloves, it's great, now I'm obsessed with it. So I'll basically just do like 2 drops of this with my moisturizer, mix it together, and then apply it on my face with a foundation brush like this. Make sure you evenly apply it, and it just leaves your skin so tan. Not orange, it's a very natural, gradual tan, which I love. I'll like bring it down my neck and chest. And then when I apply it all over my body, I'll apply it with like just regular tanning mitts. And I'll do about like 5 pumps of my body lotion and then like 3 drops of this. And I just love how it keeps like my natural tan going. Nothing crazy. It's not like a actual self tanner to where you have to maintain it and it'll start looking like patchy after a little bit. Like, it's just so easy to keep up with, very gradual, very natural, not too over the top, and I just love it. It's really, really good. It's like literally the perfect product to have, especially for this time of year when you want to keep a tan, but you don't want to deal with the self tanner and exfoliating it and all of that. Like, it's just a nice, easy product for the winter time. And then a favorite makeup product that I have been loving at the moment is my MAC Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Colors. I recently picked up 3 of them, and I'm just absolutely obsessed with the formula, the color selection. I have on the red one right now, and you guys, I'm not kidding you, this is like my favorite red lipstick at the moment. It is so pretty. But basically what I love about this formula is that it's a matte liquid lipstick, but it's not drying at all. Like, it feels like a regular, like, just comfortable lipstick. I love the applicator that it comes with too. It makes it super easy to apply. So this is the red one. I have it on right now, and then I want to show you the other 2. This one is my favorite. It's called Sorry Not Sorry. It's like the most gorgeous fall lip color. Oh, look how pretty it is. And then I also picked up, it's called Date Maker. We actually recently sold out of this at the MAC store that I work at. It's like just a really pretty, like, neutral pinky nude. But the formula of these are so nice. They're nice and moussey, hydrating, but they stay put all day. The only thing I will say is they're not the best to wear with a mask. I do notice that they transfer on the mask. And yeah, I just love the color selection and how they look and feel. They're just so great. And then also from MAC, this is what happened. So I started going back to work. If you guys don't know, I work for MAC Cosmetics, and I get bored, it's been quiet, and then I'll just start like buying stuff just cause. But I've honestly found some really good gems. So another item that I picked up while at work is the MAC Glow Play blush in the shade Heat Index. I actually have it on my cheeks right now. These blushes are amazing. The formula kind of reminds me, I don't know if you guys remember those Maybelline blushes that were a thing like back in 2014. They're very similar to those. It's like a cream, moussey, like, formula. You can use it on top of powder. It's not too creamy to where it'll like break apart powder, but you can also use it just underneath of your powder makeup. They blend out so smooth. They stay put all day. The color selection that they have in this line of blushes too is really nice. And this color I've just been absolutely loving. Just looks so good. And then this item is actually a rediscovery for me, and it is my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Lately I've been loving to wear like super lightweight makeup. Again, it's a drier climate here, so I can't do like anything too matte, but if it's too shiny, it like just doesn't wear long enough throughout the day. This has been like the perfect foundation for me. It's lightweight, I can build up the coverage if I want it. It's a nice dewy finish, but not too dewy. It stays put on my skin even with a mask on, and I've just been absolutely obsessed with it. I actually have it on right now too, and I just feel like it just gives my skin the most gorgeous, like, subtle glow. So I've been loving this guy. All right, you guys, I definitely feel like I'm forgetting something, but at the moment, that wraps it up for all of my favorite items. If I forget anything, I'll leave like extra links down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed finding some new gems that maybe you guys want to try out. Like I said, I'll leave everything linked down below if anything caught your eye. Why do I keep talking like this? I love you guys. I pray that you all stay safe. I hope that you guys have a very happy holiday season, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.